Hey everyone, this is the Google Pixel 3. I'm going to give a quick rundown of some of the features. So here you got news to your left. You can get all sorts of curated information. It will be based off things that you search or look for on the internet. Smart Gestures allows you to change settings for Active Edge or the back of the fingerprint reader to scroll down the top blind. This is useful for one-hand navigation on the phone. Then you got your quick widget here. It has your time generally, or weather, or maps. Depending on where you are in your day, it will change for you. If you double tap the camera button, it will pull up your camera right away. You can select things by scrolling left or right at the bottom of the screen. For selfies, they've put two cameras now on the front, so you can do wide angle. You just drag the slider to the left, and that will give you some more angle there. Active Edge is your Google Assistant by squeezing the bottom of the phone, and it can tell you all sorts of things. I like to look up song lyrics if I hear a song that I recognize or want to know about. Moving fast with apps, you just scroll up once from the bottom, and then you can drag your finger along the base. And if you go all the way to the left, you can close all of them. Call screening is a new feature included in the OS update. Instead of declining or just answering the phone, you can now use the Google Assistant to talk to the person on the other side of the phone. If it's a robot caller, you can see what they are saying as it will dictate to you, and you can choose to hang up or have them tell you more information. For volume, just press the button on the side, and then you can choose from the top whether you want it to be on vibrate. You can flip it over so it is on silent. Quick settings are from the top. You just pull down twice, and you can change things like nightlight or flashlight or airplane mode. Digital well-being, another feature added this year for the Pixel 3. It basically gives you information about how you use your phone, how much you are using, and how you can stop using it. To Miracast to a smart speaker or to a Chromecast, select from the menu at the top. App guessing is generated by the habits you do based off what you pull up at certain times during the day. For multitasking, just hold the circle at the top under your app drawer and select another app. And this will allow you to have two apps up on the screen at once, and you can determine what you want to be bigger by just sliding the middle bar. Google Assistant helps you with all sorts of stuff, and I'll do a couple demonstrations of how this works.
I found a few places within 5.9 miles.
Find the cheapest flight to Tokyo.
Upcoming round-trip flights from Columbus to Tokyo start at $942. Do you know what dates you'd like to fly?
Next Saturday.
Got it. What's your return date?
2 weeks after that.
Sorry, what's your return date?
2 weeks later.
Round-trip flights from Columbus to Tokyo leaving January 12th and coming back January 26th start at $1,114. Should I email you if that price changes?
Sure, that'd be good.
Great, I'm glad.
Where can I get a dog sitter at?
I found a few pet sitters near you.
How much is $62,000 in euros?
62,000 United States dollars equals 54,146 euros and 15 cents.
So you can see the Google Pixel 3 is a wonderful phone. There's so many different features that allow you to move about your phone more efficiently. You get unlimited storage of photos and video on the Google Photos app until 2022 if you purchase it. It's a pricey phone, but look at those Pixel 2 and original Pixels as options because you can find them for pretty cheap on the used market. They're almost identical, and most users wouldn't see some of the differences that exist from version 1 to version 3. Well, I hope I gave a good rundown of this 6-inch display. It's also 4K, and I will catch you on the next review. See ya later.